Okay, Thursday, March 5th, and still no payment from the loan company. Very, very, very much going through a shocking amount of anxiety, can't sleep, but they don't have the sprocket on this side yet. But as you can see, the axles and the bogies and the new bogie chains are already put into place. Back tires on. We got Randy on wiring. These guys are busy doing whatever they're doing here. Engine's still here. I don't know if we've worked on that at all. But on this side here, we got the axles and the bogies on again with new bogie chains. And one sprocket on. So, kind of a funny thing there yesterday. We didn't know how to install it, because one side of this groove here is deeper than the other side. So on one side it's an inch, the other side it's 3/4 of an inch. So I guess they would have figured it out, because they've labeled it outside now, and they'll be working on the other side. So with the front opened up and the wiring coming through here through the front, they'll be finishing off the wiring here hopefully soon. As you can see, they got the battery out for testing all the different gauges and whatnot, and they'll be finishing that off. And with Randy doing what he's doing, that allows Aidan to do his thing and Dad to do his. But everybody's working as a team here right now, and looks like Dad's just going through changing out the proper seal on the diff right now. Okay, Dad stepped away here for a bit, so he's got the seal back on there, and then they're probably going to put on the last sprocket. It's over here somewhere. Where did I see it? Where? Right here. Yeah. So one of the things they had to get was a speedy sleeve for this thing. So now that that's on, that's good to go, and they'll be slipping that on, and then be pretty close to putting on tires and tracks. And one of the things Aidan was doing here was working on the lights. So just saw him walk past with one of the red light bulbs. They're going to have to put that on. You notice how that's straight up and down, and then that's not. And then Randy was in the back here doing wiring, and then we're stringing all that wiring through underneath. Okay, so there's a little bit of welding going on down here. I don't know, Dad's putting in a stabilization plate underneath. I don't know what exactly it's for, but it's got to go in on both sides, I know that much. Okay, so the other one is the sprocket is on the right hand side now as well. I don't know what happened there, it looks kind of muddied up. But looks like some diffs oil is leaking here as well, and then they've got it ratcheted off so that when they put on their other wheels and the tracks, it can go on pretty easily. So we'll find out what's going on there as soon as Dad's done welding. Randy's getting gassed out here, and with the welding. Well, it's Friday and March 6th, and Dad says they're almost ready to put on the tracks. I come here right at noon, and still no payment from the loan company. Getting very anxious, but Randy's still working on wiring here, and but Dad and Aidan are going to work on getting the tracks on here. And they're working on a carb right now. So we moved the red Bombardier there the other day, and this is like literally the one part we never replaced was a carb. So even though replaced, not brand new.
This is what happened. The shaft is wore so bad it was running out of the throttle linkage.
Okay. So when we moved it, they noticed the gas was still coming out, and we had to change in the core to get a brand new one, or a replacement one. And Aidan's just putting it all back together here, and we're going to put this into the red Bombardier. So even though we thought we were done with the red, it's literally the one part we never replaced. So they're going to do that today. It's -1 today, so it's a beautiful day to get all this work done. So it's definitely warming up around here. Talk to the customers, let them know the damage report on their build. And both the red Bombardier and the green Bombardier are over budget. So we're going to have to make a deal with these guys. And part of that deal is probably ended up taking possession of some of those tires so that we can resell them. And but yeah, so there we go. Quick little brief update. Probably come back here in a couple hours to deal with this again, see what the progress is. But yeah, nice day at the shop. And there's Papa's Filipino Emily having her end of day snacks, having a chicken strip and her yummy. And then there's the old dog, hey? Old Charles in charge. Peckerheads are enjoying the beautiful spring day or spring-ish day, -1. Charles in charge, having his yummies, and Emily is having her yummies. And little Nina Pinta Santa Maria is just so happy to be with her big brother and big sister.